Yo, what's up? It's your boy Paulie, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the Kodak M35 film camera. It was given to me as a gift by a wonderful person about 2 weeks ago, but I haven't had the chance to unbox it yet. So yeah, let's get into it. So we got a user manual, a free wrist strap, and this is the camera. The lens is a 31mm with an aperture of f10. Focusing, it's a focus free from 1 meter to infinity. The viewfinder helps you to compose your shot, but it doesn't really give you the exact view from the lens because, as you can see, both the lens and the viewfinder aren't really connected. Shutter speed is 1/120 out of a second. Power source, 1 AAA alkaline battery. ISO from 200 to 400, and that's pretty much it. I don't have any sample photos yet, but I'll be uploading a new video for that. So if you're interested, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Paulie out.